Hello, how are you children? I hope everybody fine at your home. I hope everybody done UT well. Next is chapter you will study, that is chapter number 3, fractions. You already studied about rational numbers. Same operations only you will study in fractions also. Fraction and rational are one only difference. What is the difference? The fraction are in the form P by Q. Fractions are in the form P by Q. P is called a numerator, Q is called a denominator. Q never be equal to 0. Denominator never be equal to 0, because if denominator comes to 0, then that value is not defined. So denominator never becomes to 0. In fractions, P and Q should be belongs to whole numbers. P and Q belongs to whole numbers, but Q never be equal to 0. But in rational numbers, that also P by Q form, Q not equal to 0, but P and Q belongs to integers. Okay, that only difference. That means P and Q can become negative numbers. But here fractions, P and Q should be belongs to whole numbers. This only difference. Whatever you done in rational numbers, that only you have to do in fractions. Clear? What is a fraction? Fraction meaning a fraction is a number which represents a part of a whole. The whole may be a single object or a group of objects. Fraction is a number of the form A by B, where A is called the numerator and B is called the denominator. Clear? Now types of fractions. You know classification of fraction. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction meaning numerator is less than the denominator. This type of fractions are called a proper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction, just opposite of proper fraction. See, improper fraction is numerator is bigger than the denominator. That is called a improper fraction. Mixed fraction meaning one whole number along with one proper fraction. That is called a mixed fraction. Simple fraction called a complex fraction. Complex fraction. Complex fraction meaning sometimes numerator is a fraction, denominator is a whole number. Sometimes numerator is a whole number, denominator is a fraction. Sometimes numerator and denominator both are fraction. This type we are calling complex fraction. Okay. Next, vulgar fraction. Meaning a fraction is said to be vulgar fraction if the denominator is a whole number other than the numbers 10, 100, 1000, etc. That is denominator is a note of the form 10 raised to n. You can't write the power of a 10. Like that fraction we are telling vulgar fractions. Decimal fraction, you know, denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. Like that fraction we are telling decimal fractions. Now like fraction meaning denominator should be same. Unlike fraction, denominator different. Clear? Equivalent fractions meaning, see, equivalent fraction meaning two or more fractions said to be equivalent or equal. Then the fractions have the same value. That meaning you cut out the same value you will get 2 by 4. Cut out 2 and 4 you will get a 1 by 2. Here also 4 and 8 cut out you will get a 1 by 2. Here 6 and 12 1 by 2. So this is called these fractions are called equivalent fractions. Reducible fraction meaning numerator denominator having HCF other than 1. You can cut out. That is called that fraction we are calling reducible fractions. Okay, you can cut out the numerator and denominator. That fractions are calling reducible fraction. See, two fractions a by b and c by d are said to be equivalent only when AD equal to BC. These both fractions, if you want to say these two fractions are equivalent fraction, then you cross multiply A into D. The same answer should get when you multiply C into B. Okay. Irreducible fractions meaning you can't cut out. Numerator and denominator have HCF 1, common HCF 1 only. Okay, 1 and 3, HCF 1, 2 and 9, HCF 1. This called, this type of fractions we are dealing irreducible fractions. Rest of the, whatever the concept that you studied in rational number, same only we will follow in fraction also. Okay, we will start the exercise 3.2. Before starting the exercise, I will show one problem how to do in 3 methods. Okay, suppose 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Suppose this is the question. One method, you know, first method, that is LCM method. LCM method. First you have to find out the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? You know how to find out. 3, then 5. What is the LCM? LCM equal to 3 into 5, that is 50. That everybody know. After finding the LCM, what you have to do? You have to multiply with the LCM each fraction. Okay, your fraction is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 into 15 plus 4 by 5 into 15. Clear? Now cut out 3 and 15. 5. 5 and 15. 3. 5 2 are 10 plus 4 3 are 12. Okay. Divided by 15. How this 15 coming? Here no 15 at all. Even then I written 15. How? In rational number chapter I already explained, when you multiply the numerator with the number, that same number you have to multiply with the denominator. That is the rule. But here we are not writing, but hidden 15 is here. Here also hidden 15 is there. Clear? But we are normal, we are not at all writing, but hidden here. Because you are multiplying 15 here, so you have to multiply 15 down also. That is the rule in fraction and rationals. Okay. So that 15 only we are writing. Here also 15, here also 15. Common denominator is 15. Clear? Then 10 plus 12, 22 divided by 15. This is improper fraction. Always you have to convert improper into mixed fraction. Divide it 1, 7. Okay, how? Denominator is 15. Okay, same 15. Then 15 1 are 15. 15 plus 7, 22. You can divide 22 divided by 15. 1 whole number, your denominator is 15 and 7 is the remainder. Clear? This one method, that is called a LCM method. Now I will show you cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication method. Question is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. Cross multiply meaning first number with this, second number with first number with the second one denominator, second one numerator with the first one denominator, crossing. Okay. 2 5 are 10, 4 3 are 12 plus sign. Your denominator is multiply this both. 3 5 are 50. Then 22 divided by 15, that is 1 and 7 by 15. Clear? This cross multiplication, most of the case I am doing cross multiplication only, but when the denominator is bigger, numerator denominator bigger number, then you use LCM method. Okay, other small numbers you can use the cross multiplication method. Other one, same. See, next one method is third one. This is cross multiplication second. Third one is make same denominator. Make same denominator. That also one method. Question is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. 3 table and 5 table. Which number is coming common? Least number. Which is this first number coming common in 3 table and 5 table? That is coming 15. 3 table also 15 is coming. 5 table also 15 is coming. Then which number is coming? 30 also coming. 3 table 30, 6 5 are 30. But first number is coming 15 only. 30 also you can take. That is not a common. This is called a common multiples method. Okay. Common multiple method. Any common multiple you can take. 3 and 5, which is the common. 15 common. 30 common. Then 60 common. Any one of the common number you can take. I am taking, suppose I am taking 30. Okay. So I have to make a denominator 30. Both the denominator 30. Then how I can make a 30 denominator? By multiplying 10. Then up also I have to multiply by 10. That is the rule. That is 20 by 30. Am I right? Next, 4 by 5 also. I have to make a denominator 30 by multiplying 6. Clear? Now you add it. You have to add both 20 by 30 plus 24 by 30. What you will get? 44 by 30. Now cut it in two table. 22 divided by 15. Your answer getting or not? This is called a same denominator. Make a same denominator. Otherwise we can say common multiple method. Common multiple method. Clear? 3 methods are there. Any method you can use for addition and subtraction. I hope everybody understood these methods. Okay. See, LCM method everybody know. First find out the LCM. After that you have to multiply LCM with each fraction. Okay. LCM only I multiply, but no, that rule is there. If you multiply numerator, that same number you have to multiply by denominator also. Commonly we are not at all writing denominator 15, even if written here, because you have to understand how 15 coming after cutting this 15. Okay. See, next one is cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, cross you multiply. Denominator is multiplication of denominators. Okay. Then this is called common multiple method. That means make the denominator same. Any common multiple of 3 and 5 you can take. I taken 30. 30 is the common multiple of 3 and 5. After that I will make 3 as 30 and 5 also 30 by multiplying 10 up and down. Here I multiplied 6 up and down. So see, denominator is coming same denominator I made. After that I am adding and cutting. I hope everybody understood. And this also you keep it in brain. When addition and subtraction coming, first you have to make the denominator same. Then only you can do add or subtract. Clear? Again I am telling, when addition and subtraction sign in between two fractions, you have to make the denominator same. After that only you have to add and subtract. I hope everybody understood. Now we will start exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2, first question, 5 by 8 plus 3 by 10. 8 and 10, you have to take LCM. See, LCM coming 40. What we have to do after getting LCM? You have to multiply with the LCM each fractions. See, 5 5 are 25, 3 4 are 12. How coming 40? I already told you 40 up you are multiplying, down also 40 is hidden. Here also down 40 hidden. Then common denominator 40 you are writing. Clear? Second question. First question, alter method, cross multiplication method. Cross multiply. 10 5 are 50, 3 8 are 24, 8 10 are 80. After 8 10 are 80, then adding and cutting, same answer you will get. Clear? Next, second question, 7 by 9 plus 5 by 12, LCM 36. You have to find out LCM 36. After getting LCM, you have to multiply with LCM each fraction. See, here 36 is there. Normally we are not at all writing, but here there, add it. Clear? Next, the mixed fractions, you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. See, 4 4 are 16 plus 3 19. Here 5 9 are 45 plus 2 47. Denominators are different, so you have to take LCM, या cross multiplication, या common multiple method. Any method you can choose. Here I am taking LCM because the numerator is bigger number. So LCM 20. How to find out the LCM you know very well. Then after getting LCM, you have to multiply each fraction with LCM. See, common LCM 20 is there, hidden LCM 20, because up and down you have to multiply with the 20. See, adding and divide, you will get 14. 3 by 20, 20 is your denominator. After dividing 14, you will get the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Clear? Next is 5 by 6 plus 3 plus 3 by 4, 6 and 4. 6 and 4 LCM. See, 12 is the LCM. After getting LCM, you have to multiply with the each fractions. 3 meaning 3 by 1. Okay. And 12 meaning 12 by 12 only. Okay. 12 by 12. Common 12 denominator. And you are adding, you are getting 55 by 12. That meaning 4 and 7 by 12. Clear? Next one, 2 and 3 by 5 plus 4 and 7 by 10 plus 2 and 4 by 15. Improper fraction you have to make. 5 2 are 10 plus 3 13. 10 4 are 40 plus and 47. 15 2 are 30 plus 4 34. See, 5, 10, 15, LCM I taken, that is 30. Okay. After getting LCM, you have to multiply with the LCM each fraction. Okay. Each fraction multiplied. Clear? After that, you are writing 30, 47 into 3 and 34 into 2. Dividing 287, 30. 287 divided by 30, 39. 9 whole number, 17 remainder and 30 your denominator. Same type only, find the difference. There you added, here you have to subtract. 6 by 7 minus 9 by 11. cross multiplication method I taken because small number. 6 11 66, 7 9 are 63, 7 11 are 77, subtract. Okay, here also cross multiplication, 9 8 are 72, 1 5 are 5, 8 meaning 8 by 1 only. 9 subtracting mixed fraction. You have to make this improper fraction, you have to make a mixed fraction. You know how to make 67 divided by 9. 7 is the whole number, 4 is the remainder, and 9 is your denominator. Next, 9 minus 5 and 2 by 3. Here 9 means 9 by 1. 5 3 are 15 plus 2, 17. Cross multiplication, 9 3 are 27, 1 17 are 17. Subtracting 10 by 3, just you divide it, you will get 3 and 1 by 3. Next, 4 and 3 by 10 minus 1 and 2 by 15. 10 4 are 40 plus 3, 43. Here 17 by 51. 17 divided by 15. Then LCM 10 and 15. You can take 10 and 15. LCM you will get 30. After getting LCM, any method you can take. I taken LCM method because big numerators. Okay, so 30 cutting, you will get out of 30 this number you have to subtract and divide it. Here 5 by 30 you are getting the numerator and the denominator, you can cut out 1 by 6. Next, to simplify, same procedure. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 minus 2 by 9, 3 6 9, LCM 18. With LCM you have to multiply each fraction. Okay, after that cutting, you are getting 12 plus 3 minus 4, 12 plus 3 15, 15 minus 4 is 11 by 80. Next is 12 minus 3 and 1 by 2. 12 meaning 12 by 1, 3 2 are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Cross multiplication, otherwise LCM you can take 2 and 1, LCM is 2 only. After getting LCM you have to multiply with the LCM. 24, 7 out of 2, subtract, you will get a 17 by 2, divide it, you will get a 8 and a 1 by 2. Next, 7 and 5 by 6 minus 4 and 3 by 8 plus 2 and 7 by 12, 6 8 12, LCM you will get a 24 is the LCM. After getting LCM you have to multiply with the LCM each fraction. Okay, you will get a 145 divided by 24, dividing you will get a 6 and 1 by 24.